Victory Burger, and I wanted to try their cheapest burger on the menu. I know some guys go for the most expensive, but today I thought I would try their cheapest. And the cheapest is the American burger, which is really a cheeseburger, but I don't like cheeseburgers. So I popped in here to see what's going on. I got a cola. This nice little meal was I think it was 22 bucks. This was $12.75, $3. I think like $5 for the French fries, $3 tip, about $25. So, anyway, lovely place. Today is it's hard to see me, sorry. I really need to buy a wider angle lens someday. Today is I don't know what day it is. Wednesday, December 30th, about 3:20 in the afternoon. And so I wanted to come to Circa and check out their Victory Burger place. And so let's see what's up. Now they do have these waffle cut fries. Is that in focus? I hope so. Not bad. And they do go pretty good on the sauces. You get your ketchup, boom boom, and mustard, or buffalo mustard and barbecue. Now today I'm going to try the boom boom sauce. Don't know what it is, but let's add it on. And then for my fries, some mustard. I know, odd duck that I am. This is kind of this is overexposed right here. Oh well. Pickles. Crunchy and tart. Very nice. All right. The burger, potato bun. Okay. So the burger tastes nice, you guys. I think it's well cooked. Now it's supposed to be a half a pound patty on the burger, so they try to give you good value for your money. These fries are pretty good. These waffle fries. Okay, so as I was saying, these fries are good. Coke is Coke, feels fine. Burger is tasty, actually. I forgot the grind they use, or the parts of the cow they use for the beef, but it is pretty tasty. Now the place does have a variety of burgers. Also, like chicken wings, like $16.50 for a pound, 4 pounds for $60. Like I said, a variety of burgers which have more fancy doodads on them. But a good burger to me can have just the burger, some tomato, maybe lettuce, pickle onion, and that's really enough, right? Because the meat should be the main focus, not the extra little whatnots. Those are nice, but the beef tastes fine. So I've had Gordon Ramsay burger, I had Belly Flay's burger, Fat Burger, Burger King burger, McDonald's burger, and blah blah blah. Even I went to Barcode, had their burger. This is, this is a pretty good burger, in my opinion. Good. That was pretty good. At the counter, service is good. The lady who took my order, no problem there. Place is clean, it's brand new. What do you expect, right? But I like how they give you a variety of sauces, so pretty much everyone, hopefully, should find something they like out of these 6 sauces, which is good. So overall, it's a good place. Normally I don't pay like $12.75 for a burger, but it's end of the year. I figure why not, live a little, right? So I came down here to get a burger. All right, you guys, this is your old man. This is your old pal. One man, one camera. Same to me outside. I'll sail back. Take care. Have a great day. Well, then I'm gonna take a little walk, easy walk on the experience. All right. 2020. Masks are us. Whoosh. Later.